Hi everyone, my name is Bong and your cruise sales associate as part of the next cruise team all the way from the Pearl of the Seas, the Philippines. Join us incredible journey aboard the newest addition to our fleet, the Star of the Seas, which is the largest cruise ship in the world. This marvel of innovation and luxury is packed with features and destinations that promise you unforgettable vacation experience for you, your loved ones, and friends. You need to keep in mind the Star of the Seas has the largest water park at sea, the Category 6 water park. It has the biggest pool, a stunning suspended infinity pool, thrilling attractions like the Crown Age Walkaway offering a breathtaking views, multiple entertainment options such as Back to the Future, Create, and a large skating ring called Absolute Zero which hosts a professional ice skating shows, a unique dining experience including Lincoln Park Supper Club, a 1930s Chicago-themed restaurant with jazz, multiple courses, and cocktails. To enhance your vacation experience, the ship is divided into 8 distinct neighborhoods, each offering a unique atmosphere and activities. I'll help you guide through these neighborhoods to help you to find the perfect spots to dine, relax, and explore. On board the Star of the Seas, you'll have the opportunity to discover incredible destinations both Eastern and Western Caribbean. Here's what you can look forward to. Boat sailing out of Port Canaveral in Eastern Caribbean lets you sail to the beautiful islands of St. Kitts, St. Thomas, and St. Martin. And Western Caribbean will bring you to Costa Maya and Cozumel, Mexico, as well as Roatan, Honduras. Your vacation will reach a new level with our exclusive private island and the perfect day at Cooke. Book on board and get exclusive offer up to $500 of savings. Pay the reduced deposit of only $100 per person on select fare. Your travel advisor gets a full credit at home for any bookings. Book up to 3 bookings for you, your loved ones, and friends who are not sailing with us. If you want to know more about our ships and our beautiful destinations we go to, don't forget to come and visit us, the next cruise office. I'll hope to see you there. Bye for now and see you around.